I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to learn your notes and improvise string by string. So for the first example here, we're going to be playing on notes of the C scale. Why that? Because first of all, it's easy, and secondly, you have no sharps or no flats. You just have to remember that there's a half step between the notes E and F and B and C. So let's go on the first string right here. So we have all the notes. We're not going to play in order from C to C, of course, because when you're improvising, you never do something like that. So first we have E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and we're going to go for fret 15, G. So from here, we're going to play to C and play time to time wherever I'm going to be going there. So I can play along with all the notes. I just have to target where are the C's here. There's a C right here, see? And I have to look where the F is. F. The E also. And just think about where I have to go here. So let's do it. You can do it too. Just give a try on the C here and go along and working on one string. You're probably going to do some mistakes, but that's how you're going to learn. Okay, you're going to hear by replaying, or you can loop a C chord and just play it along here, and you're going to hear if you're going to do either exotic notes or wrong notes there. So we played on one string. I used to have a teacher telling us, okay, if you're capable of improvising, are you capable of improvising on one string and after on two strings? So the first time we practiced that, well, we thought, this is easy. And it was not so easy. You really have to think all the notes. So at the same time, this is forcing you how to learn your notes on the neck. It's another different way of learning the notes. So here we're going to have look on string 2. So we have here B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. Same thing, half steps between E and F and B and C. I went through it, so. Now, what happens if I'm capable to play C notes of the C scale on the first string and notes of the C scale on the second string? Can I mix both of them? Let's give it a try. That's how you're going to practice and learn your notes. It's one of the good ways for that. So we took the example of C major. Let's think now the G major scale. So G major, why G major? Because in G major, all the Fs are sharp. So you can think it's just like playing C major scale, but all the Fs have to be sharp. That's how you can think it in a very easy way. So my F sharps are going to be here on first string. Okay? And right here. Fret 2, 14. So I'm going to play G. third string open because it's the note G. So we did it on one string. Now let's give a try on two strings. So here on string 2, we're going to look for where are the F sharps. I got one here. So we're going on B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. And if you want to go further on fret 17, F sharp. So we did it on string 2. Let's see if we can play it on the 2 first strings. So play that G major scale, improvising on it. And at the same time, I'm really thinking the notes here. So here we go. And it's a lot of fun because you could be creating some songs or having ideas for some really cool guitar riffs there. I hope you enjoyed working on this Learn Your Notes Improvise string by string lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson channel. Please like the lesson. You can also find this lesson on my Patreon, so just check my YouTube channel to find all the information. Have a good practice.